feel like, eh?
Yeah, I reckon that little one would be sweet.
The black and white one's a little bit bigger.
Yeah, do that one.
Which of these?
Use the blade.
All right, wish me luck. The only pie left, basically.
I was doing an engagement shoot and my clients gave me this afterwards. That was pretty sweet, and I still got a couple of these. So I've got like a Garage Project cereal milk stout. I think I might have that one. Got a couple others in there, and Zahn's bought some as well. Behemoth Juice Wayne, Lenny and Carl. It's that one, Harvest Hemp Hash IPA.
Sounds terrible.
It does kind of taste like cereal. That's what the taste is.
It's the juxtaposition. I'm about to eat a massive steak.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm a fan of that one.
No. First beer review ever fail. Hazy Hop Buddies number 8, Lenny and Carl, Citra and Sabro Hazy IPA. In season 6, episode 13, Carl says, "Why you play the boss's head like bongo, Homer?" Anyhow, this Hazy IPA joins fan favorite Citra with its tropical citrus flavors with the new kid Sabro. 6.4.
Oh yeah, this one's only 4.7.
To be fair, most Behemoth beers taste exactly the same.
Yeah, that's heaps better than this one.
Yeah. They basically release the Lid Ripper and then they just keep re-releasing the Lid Ripper with different names, so we'd keep buying them.
Yeah, right.
And I don't even mind.
So today's video, we were going to cook. I used to have a Weber, like a little BBQ thing, but I've lost it. I don't know where it is. So we turned today's challenge into finding the cheapest possible barbecue we could find and coming to the beach, cooking a couple of massive tomahawk steaks that we bought them from the butcher. So I went, and the challenge now is turned into doing it on the cheapest barbecue I could find. So I first went to Mitre 10, and the cheapest one I had was like 49 bucks. It was similar to the one I had. And then I just looked online, and Bunnings had this Jim Buck 32 centimeter. It's like a mini Weber kind of thing for $28. It's quite small. So $28 barbecue. That is pretty small. Keep all that. It's actually not too, like, it's still quite thick. I reckon that's going to be fine. I don't think, because we're only going to do a fire, you know, we're not using coals, we're just using wood. We'll probably just make a fire on that, hey?
I think so. And let it burn down.
Because then it's a little bit lower as well. We wanted to do it, just dig a pit and put a grate over it, you know, because that would have been awesome, but we're not 100% sure of the fire laws here. And you know, we've got forest all around us, so we did want to be a little bit safe. So a $28 barbecue is the solution to that. I should say I do like Garage Project beers. This is the only Garage Project beer I've had that I didn't like. Needs jandals are for like getting to the car to come to the beach, you know, and then you take them off. Just there's a good. Ah! Should we start a fire? Get it going, yeah, because it might take a little bit to burn down.
Beyond the Clouds, West Coast IPA. This right here will come in handy. You know, not all the wood you find on the beach is healthy. A lot of it's been eaten away by.
It's quite simple.
is good wood. We know what good wood tastes like. We pay real close attention to our wood to make sure that it always tastes good. We want consistency in our wood. We want healthy wood, long, healthy pieces of wood.
We need more, heaps more. Okay. So we've got enough wood on here now. Once that burns down, we'll get the tomahawk steaks on and start cooking us some meat. Alright, so our fire is just about ready to go. We're just waiting for the actual flames to go out. So we're going to get our tomahawk steak out, put some rub on it. It's a pretty big steak. We just unwrapped it. So this is your standard 330mm beer can. It's a pretty big steak.
So I guess if there was a theme to our channel so far, it's cooking large pieces of meat on really cheap, shitty barbecues.
It's called Fortress Countersunk Surefire Square Drive. It's a good time. There's 5 main ingredients is in this rub. It's coarse salt, coarse pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. I'm gonna put a pretty thick rub on that. There we go, guys. It's pretty wet because it's been in ice, but that's good because we want it fairly cold because it's going on quite a hot barbecue. So we'll get a nice crispy sear to the outside, and hopefully keep it quite rare in the middle. We want to go for a medium rare, no more cooked than that. Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Put your finger in the middle, you can just kind of feel how hot it is.
I'll just turn the sublime down.
It's a very thick piece of steak, let's not forget that. So what I've learned so far from having not actually cooked a 1.4 kilogram tomahawk before is you really got to not like put direct flame on the steak for too long. We should have let the wood actually burn down to charcoal before we put our steak on, because I think the inside is going to be perfect. The outside, we'll see. Ugh.
So it's been resting for about 10 minutes. We're going to cut it. We're running out of light here, so we're going to cut it, get into it, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Oh bro, perfect. Look at that. That's pretty awesome.
That is so yum.